Take a ride in the 2018 Q5. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, ambient lighting, braking assist, regenerative braking system. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, refrigerated storage, audio digital sound processing, Audi Connect satellite communications, footwell lights, cruise control, trip computer,